What's going on, everyone? Stefan from firealarm.com here. Did you know that a fire department responds to a residential home fire every 25 seconds? Did you know that fire and fire-related emergencies cause over 11 billion US dollars of damage each year? Now let me ask you something. Is your home safe? Do you have the basic and necessary fire safety tools in order to keep you and your loved ones safe at home from fire? Luckily for you, firealarm.com is here to help. No matter how small or big your home is, it is absolutely necessary to have fire extinguishers, fire blankets, smoke detectors, and other fire safety peripherals in order to keep you safe. Firealarm.com has the widest selection of fire safety equipment from the largest selection of manufacturers on the web. If you call or email us right now, we are offering a special price on our residential fire alarm basic kit, which includes a fire blanket, a fire extinguisher, and a few plug-in smoke and CO combo detectors. The quantities and brands of these products will be determined by specifics such as the size of your home. But our technical support team at firealarm.com will make sure you're getting exactly what you need for the best price possible. Have no fear and take the next step in ensuring your home and family is safe 24/7, 365. Don't even worry about your initial costs. Worry about your safety first and foremost. Firealarm.com is here to help you no matter what. Call us at 888-497-0290 or email us at sales@firealarm.com to get started today and take advantage of this offer. Before I forget, if you want more at-home safety, check out our Essentials kit right here. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for all the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.